Section 2.2, subsets. Set A is a subset of set B, symbolized with the symbol shown here, if and only if all the elements of set A are also elements of set B. The symbol A subset of B indicates that set A is a subset of set B. This symbol indicates set A is not a subset of set B, similar to what we saw in the last section when we worked with the symbol for element and not element. To show that set A is not a subset of set B, one must find at least one element of set A that is not an element of set B. Determine whether set A is a subset of set B. Set A contains the elements boat, train, plane. Set B contains the elements boat, train, plane, and automobile. And we see that set A is a subset of set B. All of the elements in set A are also contained in set B. A proper subset is symbolized with the symbol shown here, if and only if all the elements of set A are also elements of set B, and set A does not equal set B. That is, set B must contain at least one element not in set A. Determine whether set A is a proper subset of set B. Set A contains the elements jazz, pop, hip-hop. Set B contains the elements classical jazz, pop, rap, and hip-hop. So we see that all the elements of A are contained in set B. Set A and B are not equal, therefore set A is a proper subset of set B. Determine whether set A is a proper subset of set B. Set A contains the elements A, B, C, D. Set B contains the elements A, C, B, D. Here we see that set A and B are equal, so therefore A is not a proper subset of set B. Remember, just because the elements are written in a different order does not change the fact that set A is equal to set B. The number of distinct subsets of a finite set A is 2 to the n, where n is the number of elements in set A. The number of distinct proper subsets is given by 2 to the n minus 1, where n again is the number of elements in set A. The set itself is not a proper subset. Determine the number of distinct subsets for the given set. This set contains 4 letters, S, L, E, D. Since there are 4 elements in the given set, the number of distinct subsets is 2 raised to the 4th power, or 16. Now we want to list the distinct subsets for this given set. So in our solution, we first see the set with all 4 elements, then we see the subsets with 3 elements each, then the subsets with 2 elements, and finally 1 element, and then finally, again, the null set is going to be the subset of every set. Determine if the statement is true or false. If it is false, give the reason. So on the left side here, we see a set containing a single element G, and notice that the symbol there means proper subset of, and we notice that that set is a proper subset, so this statement is true. For the second statement, we notice that the symbol that we have here is subset, not a proper subset, but subset. But on the left side, we see an element. We don't see a set listed there. So therefore, this statement is false.